Alright, y'all. I'm gonna take and fix some hamburgers today. These are just some Kroger 10 for 10 burgers, nothing special. I'm lazy, ain't got time to make a burger myself out here on the road, so we're gonna season them up real quick. A little salt, onion powder, garlic powder. I put the same stuff on everything because that's what I like. And then we're gonna hit it with a little adobo too. If y'all never tried this stuff, this is like heaven. Adobo, this shit's delicious. Make sure we season it both sides. Oh, the truck turned off on me. Gotta restart it. I want my grill to turn off on me. Alrighty, I'm back, y'all. So we're just gonna open up this George Foreman I've had sitting here. Took like less than 5 minutes to get hot. I'm just gonna put these bad boys down here. Now, I've never used a George Foreman before, so we're gonna figure this out together. Let me clean up my mess. I'll be right back with you. Ooh, look at those. Those is pretty. I ate some little tiny burgers. We gonna get them ate though. Go ahead and throw some cheese on there so it can melt while it's hot. Alright, well let's see if it's cooked all the way then. Sure is. Let's see what it tastes like, y'all. That's actually good. Pretty fair. Now I'm on a low carb diet, so that's why I'm just eating a cheeseburger with no bun. Trying to watch out for my girlish figure. So what I do is I'll eat one meal a day and try to stay under 50 carbs. Or I'll get me a snack halfway through the day and let that be my carbohydrates for the day, and then just have me a nice protein rich, no carb dinner. So I call it the OMAD under 50 carb diet. That's one meal a day. If I need a snack, I get me one. If I don't get one. Like yesterday, I didn't even have no dinner. I just had my snack yesterday. I had me some pork rinds, and that was the only thing I had yesterday. I wasn't even hungry. I just fell asleep. But I was bad today. My carbohydrates I had was a bag of popcorn, and then I'm gonna eat this, and that's gonna be all, because I really ain't even hungry. Once you do this diet for a couple of days or weeks, you really don't get that hungry. Now, this is actually really, really good. If y'all don't have a George Foreman, y'all need to get one. This George Foreman's life-changing. In 5 minutes, I've got food on my plate. I actually took the meat out to defrost before I left my last destination. And down here in Florida, it's in the 80s, so it was defrosted by the time I got here. Now, if I was smart, I would have pre-seasoned my meat before I packaged it. So all I would have to do is throw it in this George Foreman when I got here. But we know what to do next time, don't we, y'all?